if you have error 268 in Roblox, here are a few steps that you can take to try to resolve the issue. So you can turn off Roblox hacks and cheats because error code 268 is primarily triggered when cheating is detected. Next, you can restart your computer, of course. You can try to log into Roblox on a different device. If you keep getting the error, you can open it on another smartphone, tablet, or computer. You can try to contact Roblox support on their official support page and try to appeal your account. Maybe the internet connection is not good, so try to connect to a different internet connection. If your antivirus software is running, it sometimes prevents Roblox from completely connecting to the servers. So you can just try to turn your antivirus off, which you can just go to virus and threat protection. You can go manage settings, and you can just turn off the real-time protection. Next, what you can do is if you have a VPN, you can turn it off because it's related to a hack or a cheat. Reinstall Roblox, of course, and try a different version of Roblox. So if you're using the Microsoft Store Roblox app, download the game from the Roblox website, for instance. Deleting Windows temporary files. This usually doesn't work that well, but you can give it a shot. And adding Roblox to the security exception. So we can do that by opening app and browser protections. Browser control. Exploit protection settings. Program settings. And you can add a program to customize. Add a program by name, Roblox. It's not finding it. You can add it by choosing a path. Roblox player. And you can override all of these so they don't block anything. Just check all of those, click apply, you'll be good to go. And then disabling Windows security, that's the same as disabling the virus protection. Flushing the DNS, that usually doesn't improve gameplay, and changing your DNS server usually doesn't improve the gameplay, but maybe changing is much better than the flushing of the DNS. I'll just show you how to change your DNS real quick. So you want to go to Open Network and Internet Settings down here. Then you want to click on Ethernet. See, we're on Network 5. You want to go to Change Adapter Options. Network 5, Ethernet, right click, Properties. Then you locate Internet Protocol version 4, so IPv4. Then Properties. And then this will probably be like this for you. You just have to click Use the following DNS server address and type in 111.1.10.01. These are Google's DNS servers, and they sometimes work much better than the default DNS servers. I'm gonna cancel this just so my preferences stay as they were. And that's about it. That's all you can do to try and fix the 268 Roblox error.